guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I am super excited to be bringing you a tier tray decorate with me for spring video. We are going to be decorating two tier trays. One of them is here, and then once I'm done this one, you'll see the second one that I'm gonna be working on. My goal for these tier tray is to be mostly spring, maybe just a couple hints of Easter, but not overly too much Easter, because I will be doing a completely separate video for Easter tier tray decor. So I want to save some of that decor for that. So here are some of the items that I have here that I'm planning on using. Most of them are my DIYs, as you know. So you can find a lot of these over on my DIY channel. But I'm going to incorporate some store-bought greenery with it as well, and a couple thrifted items. So I'm gonna let you know what I'm putting on as I put it on and where it came from. So, and I also want to mention that this video is in collaboration with Vesna from Vesna TV. If you guys do not know, it's actually Vesna TV Home. If you do not know, Vesna is my sister, and we've decided to collaborate on this video together. So I will have a link to her video in my description box for you to check out when you are finished watching mine. And if you're stopping by from her channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you had decided to stop by. I hope that you enjoy what you're seeing, and I hope that you decide to stick around by pressing that subscribe button as well. So without further ado, let's get started decorating. So I had already wiped down my tray, because as you know, once I decorate it, pretty much the next time it gets dusted is when I'm switching out the decor. So it's all cleaned and dusted, and now I'm going to start decorating it. Sometimes when I decorate, the ideas just flow in, and it's I get it right the first time, but more often than not, I play around with it quite a bit until I kind of, reach that point where I'm satisfied with the way this looks. And sometimes even down the road, I will switch things around, even when it's already on a display. So I'm trying over here to find a way to fit this little birdhouse, because I just wanted to incorporate it and use it. I was planning on using all three, but unfortunately they did not fit. And the little milk jug that I'm using, that was a thrifted item, and the seeds and flowers was a DIY. The little cloche that I added is an actual item that I picked up at Dollar Tree, but I spruced it up by painting the bottom just to give it a more of a softer look. The bottom was black, and I prefer more this straight French country look to it than just a black one. And then I felt like I needed a little bit more color on top, so I did end up adding some of these carrots. I think the Dollar Tree has stepped up their game this year with these carrots. I just love the way they look, and I love the fact that they don't have the sparkles on them. I don't mind some things sparkly, but sparkly carrots just wasn't one of those things. So as you can see, trying to figure out what goes where and what fits where. Most of the time, these tier trays are the first thing that I decorate for a room. This one in particular goes into my family room, and the color scheme on it kind of sets off the tone for the decor for that room. So as you can see, I'm going with lots of neutral colors. I like the pops of green, lots of like baby animals and things like that, because it just reminds me of spring. So I've got lots of different textures. I've got wood, I've got concrete, I've got metal, I've got glass. So the options for my decor for my family room are really endless with all these materials. I really love the way this one turned out. However, I was feeling like it was lacking a little bit more color. So I did proceed to add some of those carrots, because I did purchase like 4 or 5 packs of them, onto the bottom tray, and I think this just did the trick. It added the color that I was looking for. So the next tier tray that I'm working on is my 2-tier tray, and I always keep this one in my kitchen. So I try to kind of theme that in a spring kitchen theme type of thing. So if you've been watching my channel, you're familiar with these tier trays. These are 2 of my main ones. I have 3 other ones that I decorate throughout the rest of the house, but these 2 are like my favorite. I am hoping to get a couple more, but just haven't found the perfect ones yet. So you're just gonna have to keep watching my channel to see if I ever do find some. The plan is to go to Hobby Lobby soon, now that things are looking up. So we're gonna get started on decorating this one. As I mentioned in my previous video, we will be doing some renos in a kitchen, and I don't think I will have a spot for this tier tray in the kitchen. I will definitely try and figure things out once I know exact layout of the kitchen and what's going on, because I will be changing the full layout of the kitchen. My goal is for it not to look anything like the way it looks now. So we'll see where this tray will find a new home. Maybe it will be the kitchen, maybe it won't. But I do love using it in a kitchen because I can add some like little kitchen elements. I do plan on buying a little bit more if this tray does end up in there. And again, I'm sticking with those neutral colors, with using a lot of different textures on this tray. And I just love the way the little wood utensils look on it. I think it just gives it the warmth that it needed. Well, I hope you had enjoyed this video. Let me know which one you liked more, or if you enjoyed both of them. I absolutely love the way both of them turned out, so I'm very happy. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not, and also don't forget to check out Vesna's video, which is linked down below as well, for even more tier tray decor ideas. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you all so much for watching.